Hi, boys and girls. I'm back. I hope you enjoyed the story earlier today and that you used your jelly beans to do your jelly bean sorting and graphing activity. We're going to use our jelly beans now to do a fun science experiment. This is super easy, super quick, and will just take a few minutes, but it's really neat. We're going to look at our supplies that we need for our science experiment. You need 3 supplies. You need water, jelly beans, and a plate. Now, the jelly beans we gave you in your packets that you picked up from the school, you just need a glass of water. Just fill it up. Any glass, doesn't have to be measured out. And as far as the plate, you're going to want something that's a little smaller. You could use a bowl. I've even used a lid, just a circular lid that's small. For this one, I'm going to use this little size of a dish because it's perfect. If you can use something clear or white, it tends to show up better, but you can also use a colored one if you need to. Now let's look at our steps. You should have all your supplies, water, some type of plate, and your jelly beans. Let's look at our steps that we need to do for our experiment. Step 1 says, arrange jelly beans on the plate. That's very simple. As you can probably see, I'm going to hold this out a little bit. You're just going to make them go around in a circle around the edge of the plate. And I'll show you in just a minute. I'll flip my camera so you guys can see a little better and my jelly beans don't go all over the place. But you're just going to put your jelly beans around the edge of your plate. And then you're going to make sure mine just slips. So I'm going to push mine back out so that when I get ready to do the experiment, they're where they need to be. Now you can do your experiment with all one color together, all your yellow together, all your blue together, all your purple together. I think it's prettier if I mix my colors up. So I tend to make sure that I don't put them all together and I put blue, purple, yellow, and I just mix all my colors up. But that's up to you, however you want to do it. If you want to play around with it, you're more than welcome to. Step 2. Pour water in the middle. So you're going to take your water. I've got all of my stuff right here. I'm going to take my cup of water and I'm just going to pour water very gently in the middle. And then we're going to go to step number 3, which says watch and wait. Now this will take a few minutes, but what you're going to see that water start to make the colors in your jelly beans start to dissolve, and that water is going to start to come together. You may have seen this with another experiment with Skittles. There's a few different things you can try this with, but it ends up looking really pretty and really colorful. So while we're waiting on that, I have a few sight words that we're going to go through. These are our color words from earlier. I'm just going to flash them to you all. And while we're waiting, we're just going to see if we can figure out what these sight words are. So see if you can figure out that one. Starts with the B, ends with the digraph. B-l-a-k, black. Here's your next one. Starts with the digraph W-H. W. Sneaky E makes the I say its name. White. White. Ooh, here's one. This is one of my class's favorites. Green. Green. Ooh, which color starts with that sound? Orange. Here's one. Pink. It has that k sound at the end, so it can't be purple. It has to be pink. Oh, this is an easy one. You can tap this one out. Red. Red. Oh, and here's that one that's got 2 P's in it. Purple. Purple. Very good, friends. We're going to get through them one more time. I'm going to flash them really quickly this time, and you see if you can yell them out. Ready? Go. Good. I threw an extra one in there that time that we didn't practice. That was a yellow. That was my sneaky trick to see if I could get you all. Now, as you all can see in my camera right here, my colors are starting to come together. I know it's a little difficult and I'm really sorry, but I don't want to pick it up because that'll miss all my colors up. But I did one earlier and I took a picture of it, and here's the picture. And what will happen is all your colors will start to melt together and they'll start to melt and combine, and it kind of makes like a really pretty rainbow. So I hope you all are having fun with your science experiment. Remember, you can do this with Skittles or you can try different things. If it doesn't work very well, maybe you can push your jelly beans together. Maybe you could try to spread them apart. But I hope you guys had fun. Bye, guys.